This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shari Abbott. Whoa! Highly sought after Willow II floor plan west/versatile living areas, ideal for any size family. Impress your guests as they enter into the dining/flex room with 20 soaring ceilings and stunning staircase. The heart of the home is the gorgeous kitchen west/white shaker cabinets, butler's pantry, upgraded granite, gas stove and subway tile backsplash. Kitchen opens up to the spacious great room west/dining and living area and amazing views of lake and preserve. Master suite is downstairs as is guest suite west/private bath. Upstairs has 3 bedrooms, one could be bonus/media room, and full bath. Salt water heated pool, impact windows upstairs, hurricane shutters downstairs, fully fenced in yard, expanded paver driveways, plantation shutters, custom lighting, located on a cul-de-sac and so much more. For more information, review the details below.